I don't feel like loving you today. Don't you even try to change my mind. The best thing you can do right now is just go away. I don't feel like loving you today. I don't wanna talk about last night. I'm angry and I haven't had much sleep. I'm too tired and much up, there's no telling what I'll say. But I don't feel like loving you today. But you know I will anyway. Even though it make it hard sometimes, you wind up forgiving me and probably loving me for the rest of my life. But I don't feel like loving you today. I've got 16 hours left to go. I tell you that I'm leaving you, but you know I'll stay. But I don't feel like loving you today.